Welcome back. This is an Aleks homework video on distinguishing compounds and mixtures. If you remember, there were elements in compounds. If you have single pieces of matter that are one type of matter, that's an element. A compound is a chemical combination of two or more elements. So if you have a discrete unit with two or more types of elements, that's called a compound. A mixture is just a grouping of different types of elements or compounds. Okay, so you can imagine sodium and chlorine coming together chemically and making table salt, something new. That's a compound. Sodium chloride's a compound. But if you were to put that table salt and put it on a plate and shake some pepper on the plate, you would have on that plate a mixture of salt, which is a compound, and pepper, which is also it's a plant-based, there's probably compounds in it, but it's a plant. So it would be very complicated. So we're looking for elements, we're looking for compounds, and we're looking for mixtures. So the red pops out at me as being the same material. This is the same element as this. So even though they're combined together, they're electrically holding together, it's still one type of matter. So since it's one type of matter, that's an element. Okay. What about these guys? I've got some kind of matter here and some other kind of matter here, and they're combined chemically. All of them are the same. What would you suggest? Can't be an element because it's two types of matter. It's not a mixture because it's all the same. They look the same. So this would be a compound. Don't know what the compound's representing. It's something. This one, I've got red with two little green Mickey Mouses. Here's a red with green. Here's a green with red. Here's a green with red. Here's a red with green. So I've got two different kinds. They look the same shape, but they're put together in different order. Okay, so these are different types of compounds. So here is, say, one red and two green. Well, here is one green and two red. That's a different compound. It's a different number, a different recipe. So for instance, water is H2O. Hydrogen peroxide, which I wouldn't drink, is H2O2. So just the same material, but put in a different ratio, you have a different stuff. So this would be a mixture. And what about this one? I've got green with two red, green with two red. They're all the same. Okay, so that would be a compound. Okay, hope this helps.